Next to Spanish flu of 1918, the coronavirus has been one of the biggest medical scares all over the world. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the Centers of the Disease Control and Prevention and the World Health Organization strongly recommend that people wear face masks to cover their mouths and noses while they are out and about at the grocery store or any other public area. A good mask won't stop you from getting the virus, but it will stop you from contributing to the germ pool. Let's take a look at what the medical community is recommending when it comes to wearing masks. And also, please don't forget to wash your hands regularly and sanitize them. What are the different types of face masks? The CDC and WHO approve of basic and surgical face masks for public use. These types of masks are especially designed to prevent you from spreading any illness you may have. The different types of face masks include basic cloth face mask, surgical face mask, N95 respirator, filtering face piece, P100 respirator or gas mask, self-contained breathing apparatus, full face respirator, full-length face shield, and KN95 respirator. We will now discuss about each mask in detail, their advantages and use, and the role in prevention of COVID-19. The cloth face mask. These are the standard everyday version of face mask. It's also the version recommended for public use. You can wear this type of face mask while going to the grocery store, gas station, or any other public area. Surgical mask. An FDA-approved surgical mask is made from a thin disposable material. Medical professionals who are currently operating drive-through testing for COVID-19 are wearing a version of this mask that covers not just their nose and mouth but also their eyes, cheeks, and forehead. You will also see this type of mask worn in hospitals by doctors and respiratory therapists. N95 respirator. You won't see N95 respirator worn by the general public. This type of face mask is critical for healthcare workers and medical first responders. Please don't use or purchase this type of mask if you are not working directly with patients. Supplies are scarce right now and these masks need to be reserved for those who really need them. Filtering face piece respirator. Like surgical mask, this type of face mask is disposable. It's not commonly used to stop the spread of airborne illness, but rather is worn to decrease exposure to particles that come from wood dust, animal dander, and pollen. Those with allergies might consider using this type of face mask during the pandemic. P100 respirator or the gas mask. It is not commonly associated with the healthcare. It is instead worn by painters, woodworkers, and anyone who may be in contact with lead, asbestos, or chemicals. You should not wear this type of mask to stop the spread of COVID-19. Self-contained breathing apparatus. Firefighters commonly wear this type of face mask so they can breathe clean air in dangerous situations. There is absolutely no need to wear this type of face mask during the spread of COVID-19. Full face respirator. Do you have a hard time breathing in a cloth or surgical mask? This type of mask should be reserved for those who already have breathing problems or respiratory issues. Full length face shield. This is a mask that's a film-sheer plastic version of the glass ones you see worn by the welders. For the most part, a full-length face shield isn't ideal during the COVID-19 crisis as it's tough to breathe in over time. The KN95. These masks are very similar to N95 masks. Both capture about 95% of tiny particles in the air. The biggest difference is that N95 masks are able to capture large particles. Now let's discuss what type of face mask is best for COVID-19. The general consensus in the medical community is that cotton face masks are the best choice for stopping the spread of COVID-19, that is coronavirus. This is because cotton filters out a higher percentage of particles than most other materials. Plus, cotton fibers are soft, cool, and breathable, which makes for a comfortable fit. The CDC offers the following guidelines for wearing the face mask. It should fit snugly but comfortably against the side of the face. Secures with ties or ear loops. Includes multiple layers of fabric. Allows for breathing without restriction. able to be laundered and machine dried without damage or change to the same. Cotton checks off all those boxes. It's easy to clean and comfortable to wear, while at the same time offering the most protection. You are also not going to be taking away from any medical professionals, rescue teams, or people with breathing issues if you opt for this type of mask.